Our purpose for our society is to celebrate our inherent strength as Indigenous peoples that have allowed us to resist extinction, to recover a holistic traditional philosophy, to reconnect with our spirituality and culture, and to infuse our politics and our relationships with traditional values, to create sound communities, individual empowerment, and reestablishment of relationships based on traditional Native values, to improve the quality of life for people who are Aboriginal, who use illicit drugs by encouraging the development of support, education, training programs that reflect values of Aboriginal people, to develop networks and coalitions of informed and empowered people who work to improve the health of Aboriginal people who use illicit drugs and illicit alcohol, to ensure a voice for people who are Aboriginal who use illicit drugs is empowered, strengthened, and heard by policymakers, service providers, and the public or economic, health, and treatment issues related to the use of illicit drugs and illicit alcohol, to purchase, sell, and or lease property, equipment, materials that are deemed necessary to accomplish the society's purposes.
Right on.
These are the many issues that we, as Aboriginals in our downtown Eastside community fight for. As you can read them, war on drugs, equal rights, racism and discrimination, residential schools and foster homes, we forgot to put that one on there, rights to land, housing, gentrification, violence against women, missing women, prison systems. So we fight for these issues. The downtown Eastside has the highest number of off-reserve Aboriginal people of any city neighborhood in Canada. This is our urban reservation, made up of drug users and natives of illicit alcohol. Our voice is very important than ever, as we as a society, as WAHRS, who struggle with addiction, mental health, and severe poverty. But together, we work on improving and empowering our lives. We've done very important and interesting things in the past year. Recently, we've joined the movement of Idle No More. You've probably heard that in the media and stuff. So it's very important for us, for our Aboriginal rights and the rights of our lands and our waters to be protected. Our last meeting, we joined hundreds of our people and supported rally outside of City Hall. And that was just awesome. Vancouver and WAHRS took about 60 members, and it was really powerful, and everybody who was there was really into it, and it was just amazing how everybody was very supportive of our organization and what we were doing. So a lot of our members and Bandu members were really, really into what we're doing, the issues that we facilitate. I'm really proud of that. We also have protests against the pipelines, which is kind of hand in hand with the Idle No More, right? And we'll continue to fight this fight in 2013. My dream is to be on the streets, the front first, helping our people on the streets of the downtown Eastside. So, and a lot of people who've been guest speakers who work and volunteer in the downtown Eastside to educate us and to empower us. So it was an awesome 2012. I personally also sit on the LAP committee, which is the local area planning process, which we sit with city people and kind of pound out, to make our community a stronger and better community with organizations, with volunteer places, societies, stuff like that. And our mandate is to help improve the low-income people of the downtown Eastside, which also who are vulnerable, marginalized. We're there to help me and you, people who live in the downtown Eastside. So, and also, we just received a Catalyst grant from the UHRI, which is the Urban Health Research Initiative of BC Center for Excellence in HIV and AIDS. So with this grant, it's to help achieve objectives by facilitating, dialogue with our members, with people on the street for HIV and drug users, and how to explore experiences and current concerns with HIV and AIDS. So I'm just getting really educated on this. I wasn't as educated like even a week ago. We're seeking like new ways to do the research, because the research they've been doing on this for Aboriginal people who are drug users, it's not working. So now they're coming to people who are, you know, the people who are drug users, who are Aboriginal. So we'll keep you guys updated on how that's going, and I appreciate you letting me talk, and I'm looking forward to hearing all the other reports. Thank you.